What are you going to do?
Pedal.
You going to ride your bike?
Yep.
Okay, go.
We need to sit on the bike.
Are you going fast?
Yeah. We need to sit on the mitt. That's never happened. I love this mitt. You like this mitt?
Stop. Look at Daddy. What do you want to say?
And to what about bike yourself turning wheels this day?
Oh, okay.
Daddy helping me cross this one and the grass.
Turn. Go. Go fast. Okay, look at Daddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Look up here. Say I love you.
I love you.
Nate, what are you having for supper?
We're having sweet bread with sugar.
What are you having for supper, Gnome?
Mint.
What?
Mint.
Looks like a plate full of powdered sugar to me.
That's mint.
Healthy supper Mama made for us.
Yep. Except me and Nate says, mint. It is really just some bread with mint. Yeah.
We do have some mangoes and bananas to go with it, so it's not all bad.